and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making a copycat recipe. It's Taco Bell Crunchwrap Supreme. For our ingredients, we have ground beef, taco seasoning, flour tortillas, nacho cheese, tostadas, sour cream, iceberg lettuce, tomatoes, cheddar cheese. You want to heat your skillet over medium-high heat. We're going to add our ground beef, our taco seasoning, and we're going to cook this anywhere from 7 to 8 minutes until it is fully cooked. Next, we're going to stack 4 of our flour tortillas together. We're going to place a tostada in the middle of them. Then we're going to cut with scissors, leaving a 1/2 inch of room around the tostada. This will leave you with 4 smaller flour tortillas. Here we're going to start to put our Crunchwrap Supreme together. So we're going to place a little bit of beef in the middle of one of our 4 remaining large flour tortillas. Next, we're going to add our nacho cheese, anywhere from 1 to 2 tablespoons. Now we're going to place a tostada on the top of our cheese, and we're going to spread some sour cream over top of our tostada. Now we're going to add a little bit of lettuce and some tomato. We're going to finish it with some shredded cheddar cheese. Then we're going to top it with a smaller flour tortilla. We're going to fold the large flour tortilla edges over the smaller tortilla that is sitting on the top of our other fillings. We're going to quickly and carefully flip it upside down. You want to repeat this process with the remaining of your crunch wraps. Meanwhile, we're going to spray a large skillet with cooking spray over a medium-high heat. And then we're going to place onto a heated frying pan. We're going to cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until lightly brown on both sides. You want to watch to ensure they don't burn. Cut each crunch wrap in half and then serve and enjoy. So today we made a copycat recipe, Taco Bell Crunchwrap Supreme. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And if you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.